welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are doing a what's in my purse video. I've done one of these on my channel, but it's been a long time ago, and I remember when I did it, I found all sorts of things that did not belong in a purse. This is a really great way to, number one, clean out my purse, and number two, it kind of gives you guys a feel of like where I've been, what I've been doing, the things I like. I am so excited to share with you guys this beautiful, beautiful bag from Teddy Blake. It is the perfect purse. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to take a second, hit that little subscribe button down there, and make sure to hit the bell so that you are notified when I upload videos on my channel. If you enjoy what's in my purse videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and see what is in my purse. I'm kind of scared. So first, I want to give you guys a good look at this beautiful, beautiful bag. This is from Teddy Blake. I love purses. I mean, I'm pretty sure most girls do really enjoy a nice purse, but I've never been one that's been like into super like designer bags. But when Teddy Blake reached out to me and asked if I would want to try out one of their bags, oh my gosh, I was so stoked, you guys. It came at the perfect time. I was in need, desperate need of a new bag, and this bag is just like the perfect fit for me. They're 100% leather, made in Italy, so these are very nice, high quality bags. I wanted something that was going to be versatile, that would just go with basically any outfit, because I'm not one to change out my purse depending on what outfit I'm wearing. Something that would fit all of my items in it. This is the Cara Saffiano black 12-inch bag. I will have it linked in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. Look at this red one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. They also have it in a dark beige color. They have it in a gray color. Lots of like classic colors that will go with everything. This purse also came in this beautiful bag that says Teddy Blake, New York. It does have a longer strap that you can hook and just wear it over your shoulder. But let's go ahead and dive into this bag and see exactly what I have in my purse. I think I'm just gonna like put my hand in there and just start pulling stuff out. First thing I am pulling out is my set of keys. Mace, because protection. Don't play around these streets. I also have this cute little Minnie Mouse. It has diamonds all over it. My daughter brought this home from Orlando for me when she went to Disney World with her show choir. This is actually my house key, and it has a little pineapple on it. So I put this little pineapple thing on it so that I know which key it is, but I just think it's so cute because, you know, pineapples are life. My wallet, which is really nothing special. I usually get my wallets and stuff from like TJ Maxx. So let's see, in my wallet, I have a whole lot of nothing. I have 0 cash, receipts.
I want to see the receipts.
Bath and Body Works, a bunch of cards that probably need to be thrown in the garbage. I'm sorry, I do have some cash. Oh, I feel so special. I have a whole $15. So if any of y'all need a loan, just come see your girl because I can hook you up. Of course, I have my license, and I recently had my license renewed because, you know, I'm old and you have to do that. When you get old, you have to actually renew your stuff. I'm gonna show you my picture because it's not terrible. It's not terrible. Let's see. There you go. My first license picture was horrendous, and I had to look at that for like 10 years. All right, let's see what else I've got in here. I've got Ulta coupon. Love to save that money, honey. Oh, I have a pick. I always like to keep a pick so that, you know, I can pick out my roots when I need to, or if one of my kids needs to, like, you know, get some knots out of their hair, this is always in there. Gum, because we always need fresh breath. This is one of my favorites. This is the Orbit's Sweet Mint. I think it's the Sweet Mint flavor. We've got some Clean and Clear oil control film sheets, which I used to swear by these. I would go through multiple sheets a day, but now I don't ever use these because, again, I'm getting old, and when you get old, your skin dries out. So that's fun. I don't really need these anymore. I always have Vaseline with me. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy. Not only do I use this all of the time, especially during the winter, but my kids are constantly reaching in my purse for this particular item. I also always keep lotion in my purse. So the one that I've been using recently is body cream. It's their French lavender lotion. This stuff smells so good. Again, during the winter months, oh my gosh, my skin stays so dry. The next thing that I have is this lipstick right here. I think this is by the brand Essence, and it's in the shade Matte 01. All right, that's a clever name, isn't it? Matte 01. It's just like a very neutral shade So I feel like every time I'm out and like my lip color wears off or something, I always want to just throw on a neutral lip, and this one is one that I always reach for. The other thing that I always keep with me is a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is the newer one in the shade Fussy. Her glosses are by far my absolute favorite now. This is the shade Fussy. It looks good with every kind of makeup look. It looks good on any skin tone, skin color. They're gorgeous. Because I do wear contacts, I can't see worth a lick. I don't know what that really means, but I really can't see. I keep Visine in my purse. This is Visine for contacts. I'm constantly having to re-wet my contacts. If you wear contacts, you understand what it's like when you don't have anything to re-wet your eyes. It basically feels like you have rocks in your eyeballs, and it's not fun. This I keep in my purse as well, just in case it's a really sunny day. I am like prone to getting fever blisters. It's something that I've always dealt with since I was a kid, and this stuff is amazing. This is the Super Goop Acai Fusion Lip Balm with Shea Butter. It is SPF 30. If I'm outside, I have to have some sort of lip protection or I will end up with a fever blister. So this is a must. The next thing I have is tissues. You never know when you're gonna need to blow a little boogie. The next thing that I've got is a file. I always need to file my nails, whether I have acrylics at the time or whether I have my nails natural. It never fails. I always need a nail file. I have some extra contacts in here. Ones that I use are the AccuView Oasis with Hydro Clear Plus. These are the only kind of contacts that I've ever been able to wear. I've tried every single brand out there, and these are the only ones that do not bother my eyes. Next thing, I've got some papers in here. So I usually always have some sort of pile of papers in my purse. This is actually my receipt for my camera. I posted it on my Instagram story. My regular DSLR, my Canon 70D, broke like over a month ago, and it's been in the shop ever since. I am missing it like crazy. Thankfully, I have this camera and I'm able to still film. They said at least another 4 weeks, possibly longer. I really appreciate you guys bearing with me on this. A payment stub where I got paid from a company, which is a great thing because mama has bills to pay. The Voice is the victory color chart. What the heck is that? This is the calendar of colors that we are supposed to wear for everyone that is in the choir at my church. This just tells me what colors I'm supposed to wear. I have a Publix coupon, $10 off $30 or more purchase, and with a family of 5, we go through a lot of groceries, honey, so every buck counts. Next item I have in my purse is this right here. This is the Victoria's Secret's Angel Mist in the scent Heavenly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad that they've never like discontinued it because it remains my favorite to this day. This is a scrunchie. This is my favorite silk scrunchie. This is by My Kind of Silk. I love it. This is what I use when I want to put my hair back or when I want to put my hair up. I keep one in my purse at any given time because this is the only thing that I will use to put my hair up now. It is perfect for those with curly hair where you're really trying to make sure that you are not going to cause frizz or disrupt your curls. It is bomb, bomb, bomb. And the other thing that I use from them is their pillowcase, the My Kind of Silk pillowcase. It is amazing for protecting your curls at night, but these little scrunchies have become my all-time favorite. I have a couple pairs of sunglasses in here. It doesn't even have a brand on it. They're super cute. They kind of go with everything. They're a beautiful beige color. And I had these in my purse because we did just come from vacation, so I brought a couple of different sunglasses with me. This pair is Vera Wang, Simply Vera, and they're basically the same style as these. I just love this kind of style on me, but I'm pretty sure both of these were pretty cheap pairs. I feel like I lose sunglasses too much to be spending all sorts of money on it. I also have this little pouch. This is from Velvet Pepper. Usually I'll put in my medicine and stuff, like if I want to carry Advil or something with me. I also have a contact case in that same little pouch. My beloved Tums, because I can't go anywhere without Tums, because your girl used to suffer with gastroparesis and my stomach was always in knots. Haven't had that issue for a while, but I still feel like I cannot go anywhere without Tums just in case. Other thing I keep is a little baggie full of like mints and candies and stuff. It's because we are always at church. You're praying for people, you all up in people's face, you're constantly talking to people. And the last thing I would want is for someone to be talking to me or praying for me with some bad breath all up in my face. So I am like so crazy about making sure that I have mints or gum or something. And the last thing that is in my purse, my headphones, Shure, S-H-U-R-E. They cancel out everything. Yeah, so they are made by that brand, S-H-U-R-E. My husband bought these for me for Christmas one year, and I swear by these things. I mean, when I put them on, literally, you don't hear anything. They're almost like earplugs, really. The only thing that would make these better is if they were wireless. I don't think wireless was like really that popular when I got these, but I love these headphones. I know that was a lot of stuff, so that goes to show you how much room this little bag actually has. I'm gonna show you the inside of this bag. There is a little pocket right here for your cell phone. There's another little pocket right here to put stuff, and then there's a little zip pocket. Zipper closure. I don't like bags that don't have a zipper closure. I feel like my stuff's gonna fall out, or that it's just too easy for someone to stick their hand in there and pull out stuff. I don't play games. I like my stuff to be nice and secure, so I only get purses that have a zip closure. And the inside is a suede interior. It has like a silver color hardware on it, which I think is beautiful. I'll make sure to have all of their information linked in the description box. If you go to their website and sign up, you will get up to 35% off of their site. And then you can use the code TBBrandy20 for an extra 20% off of your purchase. If you've been looking for a really nice high-end bag, then definitely check out the Teddy Blake site. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.